Hello and thank you for servicing with us. If you've been sent this video, then your vehicle could greatly benefit from a differential service. Maintaining your vehicle's performance and longevity requires regular maintenance, and one essential service that often goes overlooked is the differential service. Regardless of manufacturer, understanding the role of your vehicle's differential and why servicing is crucial can help you avoid costly repairs and ensure a smooth, safe driving experience. What is the differential? The differential is a key component of your vehicle's drivetrain. It allows the wheels to rotate at different speeds while turning, which is necessary because the outside wheels will rotate at a greater speed than the inside wheels. This difference in rotation is crucial for maintaining control and stability, especially during turns and on uneven surfaces. Why is servicing the differential so important? Over time, the fluid from within your vehicle's differential, known as differential fluid or gear oil, can break down and become contaminated with debris and lose its effectiveness. When this happens, the differential can no longer perform optimally, leading to increased wear and tear. Without proper lubrication, the gears within the differential can grind against each other, causing premature wear and potential damage. Overheating. The differential fluid helps dissipate heat generated from the gear's friction. Old or contaminated fluid can lead to overheating, which can damage the gears and other components. Poor handling. A malfunctioning differential can cause handling issues, making your vehicle less stable during turns and potentially compromising safety. And lastly, costly repairs. Neglecting the differential service can lead to severe damage that requires extensive and expensive repairs. In some cases, it may even necessitate a complete differential replacement. When should you get a differential service? The frequency depends on quite a few factors, including vehicle make, model, and driving habits, as well as the type of differential fluid used. However, as a general rule of thumb, every 30 to 60,000 kilometers encompasses most manufacturers, or about every 2.5 years to about every 5 years. However, if you find you're driving in harsh conditions, such as off-road or in extreme temperatures, you may require more frequent servicing. At our dealership, we understand the importance of every component in your vehicle, including the differential. Our certified technicians have the expertise and tools to perform a differential service efficiently, ensuring your vehicle remains in top condition. Regular differential service is not just a preventative measure, it's an investment in your vehicle's future. By staying on top of this essential maintenance, you can enjoy a smoother, safer ride and avoid unexpected repairs down the road. If you'd like us to move forward with this incredibly important service, please let us know right away, and if you have any other questions as well, please do contact us and we'll do our best to answer them promptly. Thank you so much, and I'm looking forward to hearing from you soon.